Hey, are you aware of the unset objections that kill most deals? Hey, look, if not, stick around. I'm going to share some information with you about those unset objections. Hey, look, it's not that I'm not interested, I can't afford it, I need to talk to. Those aren't the objections that you lose most deals to. Most of the time, we lose deals as salespeople to the unset objections. So, knowing the unset objections can change your paradigm in success in closing, increase your commissions, and you'll help more customers. Hey, it's all about being sincere, building and bringing value to your buyer. And the only way you're going to do that is transact the deal, bring up these unset objections. Hey, look, I just want to share 2 of these unset objections with you. If you want to know more, check my website out, andrewhalesales.com. Hit me up. I'd love to share 7 unset objections that we lose most deals to. Here's the first unset objection that you lose most of your deals to. In the buyer's mind, they're thinking, do I have enough information to make a good informed decision? It's your responsibility as a professional salesperson to lay out your case in a way that you provide an overabundance of third-party information so that your client naturally says, I have plenty of information to make an informed decision. Third-party information is going to help you do that. Now, the second unset objection that your customer has is, will I receive the service that I'm expecting, that's being promised for this product or service? Now, how do you prove that? You have to prove that your company has systems and processes in place to guarantee that the level of service that that buyer is expecting will be delivered on. Hey, look, these are just 2 of the 7 unset objections that we lose most deals to as professional salespeople. Hey, if you need more help on bringing up the unset objections first, making it a reason why your buyer should transact with you and not a reason why they shouldn't, hit me up at andrewhalesales.com. Hey, look, I hope you liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If so, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Share this with a business owner, an entrepreneur, a salesperson. Hey, hit the like button as well, okay? If you didn't like the video, hey, that's okay too. Simply leave me a comment. Let me know how I can help you more on the next video. My name's Andrew Hale. I help companies with recruiting, lead generation, and sales training systems that deliver results. Check me out, andrewhalesales.com.